In this video, we're going to talk about the momentum update and predicting the future. Okay, so I have this question here, and it says that a hockey puck is sliding along the ice with a nearly constant momentum, 12. It's a vector 1207, kilograms per meters per second. Okay, when it is suddenly struck by a hockey stick with a force that lasts only for 0.004 seconds. Okay, what is the momentum of the hockey puck after the impact? Okay, so anytime you see some sort of words like after, you're gonna use the momentum update. Okay, you're gonna use momentum update, and we say the momentum principle is a change in momentum is equal to F net delta t. Yeah, and if you want to predict some momentum at some final, after a certain time, then we say P final is actually equal to P initial plus F net, plus F net delta t. So that's the momentum update formula. Okay, so we could tell that we want to solve for P final because it says what is the momentum of the puck after the impact. So P final, what's my P initial? Here's my vector. So P initial is 12, 0, 7. And we're not going to plug in any units right now, just simply because it's a calculation. Yeah. So we know P initial, and they told us the force that it's been struck with. So this would be 0.3000 newtons. And we know the time that it lasts for. Yeah. Which is 0.004 seconds. Okay. So all this does is just force us to take out our beautiful calculator and just plug in some numbers. So we know anything times 0 in the x direction is 0. So we know the change in momentum final is going to be 12 in the x direction. Yeah, the momentum final is going to be 12 in the x direction. And what about in the y direction? Well, not so clear, right? So I take 0 plus 3000 times 0.004. Okay, and I also get that to be 12 in the y direction, and I take 7 plus 0 times 0, so I'll be 7 in the z direction, and so this would be kilograms per meters per second. Okay, so this is how we calculate the change in not a change in momentum, but the momentum update formula. This is how we kind of use the momentum update formula.